there are a few ways to potentially get a free upgrade on a flight. 1. Sign up for frequent flyer programs with the airline you're flying with. The more you fly with them, the higher your status will be and the more likely you are to get upgrades. 2. Be polite and friendly to the check-in staff and gate agents. They may be more willing to upgrade you if you are pleasant to deal with. 3. Fly on off-peak days or times. The airline may be more willing to upgrade you if the flight is not full. 4. Dress nicely. If you are well dressed, the airline may be more likely to upgrade you as it reflects well on their brand. 5. Offer to give up your seat on a fully booked flight in exchange for an upgrade on a later flight. 6. If you have a medical condition that requires a little extra space or comfort, speak to the airline about getting a free upgrade. These tips can help you surely to get a free upgrade. Try it on your next flight. Consider subscribe the channel to get more travel tips.